No need to worry about it.
Submit till 3.
Good afternoon.
Good
afternoon, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You would have got one DA, right? You can use that as a
Yes,
problem
ma'am.
sheet. You need not bother about the uploading it. Because I gave that, I thought I won't be able to attend your class and I was not able to find an alternative. That's why I gave the DA. So you can just take it as your problem sheet and can do the problems. It is Cauchy integral theorem and I have covered contour integration little bit, and Cauchy residue theorem also is there in that. You can just use that as your problem sheet. Okay, for doing extra problems.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Need not bother about uploading it. Now we'll move on to the class. So on the day I did formation of partial differential equations. So we did formation of partial differential equations by eliminating arbitrary constants. Yes or no? We did the partial differential equations by eliminating arbitrary constants. I said there are two methods. One is by eliminating arbitrary constant. The second one is eliminating arbitrary function. So now this class we will see a formation of PDE by eliminating arbitrary functions. Can you everyone hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Arbitrary function. Okay. So as usual, what we are going to do is you will be given one equation, so that you can take it as equation number, equation, whatever the given equation, differentiate partially with respect to x, differentiate partially with respect to y, and try to eliminate the function from 1, 2, and 3. This is the procedure you are going to use the same for by eliminating arbitrary function or arbitrary constant. So directly we'll move on to the problem in that case. You can take down form PDE by eliminating arbitrary function from z is equals to f of x square minus y square. Z is equals to f of x square minus y square. Is it clear? Okay, what we are aim? Our aim is to eliminate this arbitrary function f. Okay, so this is your given PDE. So given, take this as equation number 1. Find, differentiate 1 partially with respect to x. When you differentiate this, you'll get dou z by dou x is equals to f dash of x square minus y square into differentiation of the inside term, which will be equal to into 2x. Okay, so from this you can write dou z by dou x. You know that the notation is p. So p will be equal to f dash of x square minus y square into 2x. So p by 2x is equals to f dash of x square minus y square. Take this as equation number 2. Similarly, differentiate 1 partially with respect to y. When you differentiate 1 partially with respect to y, in the similar manner you will get dou z by dou y is equals to f dash of x square minus y square into minus 2y. So dou z by dou y you can replace it by q. So this will be equal to f dash of x square minus y square into minus 2y. So you'll get minus q by 2y is equals to f dash of x square minus y square. F dash of x square minus y square. Take this as equation number 2. Take this as equation number 3. Okay. Now from 2 and 3, just see from 2 and 3, you need not even go to equation number 1 because you have f there. So you have in the 2 equation, you have p by 2x equal to f dash of x square minus y square. In the equation 3, you have f dash of x square minus y square equal to 2. So from 2 and 3,
You can equate
the left hand side. Equate LHS. So because right hand sides are equal from 2 and 3. So what you will get? P by 2x is equals to minus q by 2y. Minus q by 2y. So you can write it as 2py is equals to minus 2qx or py plus qx is equals to 0. This is your required equation. Py plus qx is equals to 0. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
The next one, take down, eliminate the arbitrary function from z is equals to f of xy by z. Eliminate arbitrary function from z is equals to f of xy by z and form the PDE. By eliminating arbitrary function, you have to form the PDE. So this is your given PDE right now. So take this as equation number 1. Similar way, differentiate 1 partially with respect to x. When you differentiate it, you'll get dou z by dou x into f dash of xy by z. See, here you have variable x, z involves x. So it is of the form u by v. So you have to use, so v into differentiation of the numerator will give you y. Differentiation of the numerator will give you y minus numerator into differentiation of the denominator. What is denominator, ma? Dou z by dou x. Dou z by dou x divided by denominator square. Okay, you can replace this. So p will be equal to f dash of, small p it is, f dash of xy by z into zy minus xyp divided by z square. Okay, zy xy by p equal to z square. You can cross multiply this. Once you cross multiply this, you will get p z square divided by zy minus xyp. Zy minus xyp is equals to f dash of xy by z. F dash of xy by z. Okay, now take this as equation number 2. Similarly, differentiate 1 partially with respect to y. So when you differentiate equation number 1 partially with respect to y, again you will get dou z by dou y. Okay, so you'll get dou z by dou y is equals to f dash of xy by z into differentiation of this. Again, denominator z into differentiation of the numerator will give you x minus xy into dou z by dou y divided by z square. Now again, replace this by q. Q will be equal to f dash of xy by z into zx minus xyq xyq divided by z square. Now cross multiply this, you'll get pz square divided by zx minus xyq. Zx minus xyq equal to f dash of xy by z. Take this as equation number 3. So from 2 and 3, okay, from 2 and 3, your right hand sides are same. We will equate the left hand side. So what is there in the left hand side? Left hand side we have pz square divided by zy minus xy p. Pz square minus q. P or q, ma?
In the second one, it is q, ma'am.
Okay, first one it is pz square, correct. Oh, I wrote it here wrongly. Yeah. Sorry, I wrote it here wrongly, correct. So I'll get pz square minus the zy minus xyp will be equal to qz square divided by zx minus xyq. Okay, z square will be getting cancelled. You can cross multiply this. You'll get pxz minus pqxy is equals to qzy minus pqxy. Pqxy will be getting cancelled. You will get pxz is equals to qzy. Qzy. Z and z will be getting cancelled. You will get px is equals to qy, or you can write it as px minus qy is equals to 0. So it is of the single function. So only one function is there. It is simple. So it will be almost this form or any of this forms. Suppose there are two functions involved. Okay. Suppose there are two functions involved. Let us see how we have to do. See, there is no particular rule that you have to do like this or like this. Any form you can do. Our ultimate aim is to eliminate the arbitrary functions. Our ultimate aim is to eliminate the arbitrary functions. Okay. Can take down. Form the PDE by eliminating arbitrary functions by eliminating arbitrary functions from arbitrary functions f and g. Arbitrary function f, small f and small g from z is equals to x into f of ax plus by plus g into ax plus by. So there are two functions f and g. Our aim is to eliminate this. So how the function is given? Z is equals to x into f of ax plus by plus g into ax plus by. Is x ma? Ax plus by. So you can take down, this is your given equation. Take this equation number 1. So similarly, differentiate 1 partially with respect to x. When you differentiate it, shall I write it directly now? So p will be equal to, you have to differentiate with respect to x. So you'll get f of ax plus by. The second term will be x into f dash of ax plus by into a. Okay, into a. Then what will be the third term? The third term will be g dash of ax plus by into a. So you can rewrite this. Your p will be equal to f of ax plus by plus x into xa into this is x ma, xa into f dash of ax plus by, then a into g dash of ax plus by. Okay, take this as equation number 2. Shall I write it little simpler like this? F plus ax into f dash plus a into g dash. Is that okay for you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Should understand when I say f, it is f of ax plus by. That is very important. If you forget that, it will completely be wrong. Okay, now this I'll take it as 2. Similarly, I'll differentiate 1 partially with respect to y. When I differentiate 1 partially with respect to y, so what I'll get? I'll get dou z by dou y. Okay, dou z by dou y will be equal to, when you differentiate this with respect to y, so you'll get x into f dash of ax plus by into b plus g dash of ax plus by into b. So you'll get xb f dash plus plus b into g dash. B into g dash. This is equal to q. This is equal to q. Take this as equation number 3. Now, can you substitute? No, nothing you can do. Whenever you have more than, see, your arbitrary functions are more or equal, then what you have to do? You know that you should go to the higher order PD. So differentiate 2, okay? Differentiate 2 partially with respect to x. When you differentiate 2 partially with respect to x, you will get dou square z by dou x square. What is dou square z by dou x square, ma? How do you denote?
R, ma'am.
R. So R will be equal to, so you have f. When you differentiate this partially with respect to x, you'll get f double dash. F double dash into a, okay, with respect to x plus, what about here? Here you have a is constant, x and f are two functions of x. So you have to use the UV method. So you'll get a into, differentiation of this will give you x alone. So x into f dash you will get. Okay, x into f dash as such will get. The second term will give you x into f double dash into a. F double dash into a. You are following what I'm trying to do? Or should I write the whole function?
Ma'am, how did the first term become f double dash?
What is there? Oh, I did one.
Yes,
Sorry, ma, it
F.
is f dash. Sorry, it is f dash. First term is f dash only, dear. Sorry, it is f only. It will become f dash. So a into x will be 1. So f dash will get as such. Then the second term will be x into f double dash into a. Yeah, f double dash into a. What about the third term? We have a into g double dash. So we'll get one more a. It will become a square. It will become a square. So what is that you will get? R is equals to a into f dash. A into f dash will become 2 into 2a into f dash. Okay, 2a into f dash. Then what else we have? Plus a square x into f double dash plus a square g double dash. A square g double dash. Take this as equation number 4. Equation number 4. Okay. If anything is getting, cancelled, you can do it. See, you can replace this x double dash, g double dash. You cannot replace anything here. You have function like xb f dash bg dash. Okay. Okay. Differentiate 3. Differentiate 3 partially with respect to y. We'll see what is happening. Differentiate 3 partially with respect to y. So we'll get dou square z by dou y square. So dou square z by dou y square, you denote it by t. Dou square z by dou y square, you denote it by t. So this will be equal to what you will get. You have to do it with respect to y. So when you do it with respect to y, you will get xb square into f double dash. Xb square into f double dash. What about the other term? B square into g double dash. Take this as equation number 5. Anything you can substitute again. So if you take a square outside here, you can substitute this by t by b square. That is only one thing you can do, but still f dash is remaining. So you have to find the value of f dash. Okay. So what else we can do? What else we can do? Find the other combination also. Differentiate 2 partially with respect to y. So we'll get dou square z by dou x dou y ma. See, I'm going to differentiate 2 partially with respect to y. When I do it with respect to y, I'll get dou square z by dou x dou y on the left hand side, which I have written it. F will become f dash into b. So we'll get b into f dash. The other term will be a into x into f double dash. So ab into x into f double dash. Then the third term will be ab into g double dash. Take this as equation number 6. Okay. Now more than this you cannot do anything. So we'll try to simplify from this itself. So what I can do is I can take equation number 2, 3, and 4. So what is the advantage if I take 4? Okay, I can multiply the equation number by 4. 4 by b. So 4 into b. What will happen, ma'am, when I do 4 into b? Morning, this is really writing. B into r is equals to 2ab into f dash. So b into r is equals to 2ab into f dash. 2ab into f dash. Then a square bx f double dash. A square bx f double dash. Then a square b g double dash plus a square b g double dash. Okay. Similarly, I can use C. I have b f dash, ab x into f double dash, ab into g double dash. So I can multiply this equation by a. Yes, few terms will get cancelled. So I can multiply equation number 6 by a. It is a or 2a, I should decide. What will happen when I multiply by a? The left hand side will be b into r. So left hand side will become a into, how do you denote ma? Dou x dou y, you denote it by t. Yes, right? So yes, will be equal to, when I multiply by a, I'll get ab into f dash. Here I'll get a square bx double dash plus a square bg double dash. Same terms will get cancelled, right? When I subtract this, what will happen? I'll get BR minus AS is equals to this. I'll get AB into F dash. This term will become 0. This term will become 0. Same term. Okay, from this I can get the value of f dash. From this I can get the value of f dash. So what will be my f dash, ma? F dash will be equal to BR minus AB divided by AB. BR minus AB divided by AB.
It's PR minus AS.
Yes, sorry, yeah. AS divided by AB. Correct? Yeah. Now what I can do, I told you no, somewhere we can substitute it. This is a function starting. So PQ, I got it. I got this term R. Here I have function f dash. So I should only see the value of f dash. See the value of f dash. What can I do from where I'll get f dash?
Differential equation when you first partially differentiated, ma'am. There you can substitute a value.
Where ma? Where ma? No ma. First one I have f dash and g dash.
Yeah,
No.
in this
So again I'll complicate. I'll complicate it. What's the use I get like that? I should see of any other thing. So let me check if I multiply by 2a. Let me check what is happening so that it is getting simplified. Just check. By hook or crook only should do. There is no such procedure. So what we had here, we multiplied equation 6 by b a. So I'll multiply by 2a. So I'll get 2a s. I'll get 2a b f dash. I'll get 2. I'll rewrite it, ma. So plus when I multiply this by 2a, I'll get 2a square bx f double dash plus 2ab g double dash. Okay. Now what I'll do, I will subtract this. So once I subtract this, any advantage is there? Let me check. So once I subtract this, I'll get br minus 2as. This side. So this whole term will get cancelled. F dash will go off. So from here, see, listen, I can take a square bx common, a square bx common. So I'll get f double dash. Oh, all the terms are same, right? Why I'm taking common? When I subtract this, I'll get a square minus a square bx f double dash. Correct, ma? And from this again, minus, somewhere I made mistake. When I multiply by a, 2a, it will become 2a square into bg double dash. So I'll get 2a square will become a square b g double dash. Yes. I think now I'll get it. I can take minus a square commonly outside and b also commonly outside. The left hand side I'll have br minus 2as. In the right hand side I can take minus a square b commonly outside. So what will I get? X f double dash, x f double dash plus, what's the other term I'll get? G double dash. G double dash. We can substitute this, no? X f double dash, G double dash we have somewhere.
Yes, ma'am. In the
See here.
equation T, ma'am.
Not this, not this. T, yeah. T. From this, if I take b square commonly outside, I'll get xf double dash plus g double dash. So I'm getting the same term, xf double dash and g double dash, which I can replace it by t by b square. Take it as some 5a so that you will understand. So I can replace it by t by b square. That's all. So I'll get br minus 2as is equals to minus a square into t by b square. So I'll get t by b square. So which will be equal to br minus 2as minus a square t by b. You can cross multiply this. You'll get b square r minus 2abs minus a square t. That's all. Cannot simplify more than this. B square r minus 2ab. Yes. That's it. You cannot do anything. If you want, you can even rewrite it like this. If you're not following, you can retain it like this also. What is R, ma? What is R? Dou square Z by dou X square. Okay, minus 2AB into dou square Z by dou X dou Y plus A square into dou square Z by dou Y square is equals to 0. This is also fine. Either way, you can give the answer. Both are correct. You understood? What happens? No, even if you multiply by A, you got F dash. From again, somewhere you have to find the value of F dash. Again, you have to find the value of B dash and substitute it. Then you can solve it. Either way, you can solve it, but this will be a little easier. So I just multiplied by 2A. Is it clear? Anyone has any doubts? So whenever you have two functions, it will be little complicated. I won't say it is complicated. You have to just do it slowly such that we get back whatever we require. Okay. Shall we do one more problem like this? Take down. Form.
Yes.
Form PDE by eliminating arbitrary functions f and pi from. Form partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary function f and pi from z is equals to x into f of y by x into f of y by x plus y into pi of x plus y into pi of x. So write down what is given. This is your given function. Z is equals to x into f of y by x plus y into pi of x. Take this as equation number 1. Our aim is to eliminate the arbitrary function f and pi. So differentiate one partially with respect to, differentiate one partially with respect to y, x. So you'll get dou z by dou x is equals to x into f dash of y by x. We are differentiating partially with respect to x. So this will become y minus y by x square. Yes or no?
Yes.
Minus y by x square plus y into pi dash of x. Y into pi dash of x. Oh, sorry. What did I do? Yeah, x into
one more term.
one more term will be there. I'll write it here itself. First, I'll write that term so that you'll not miss it. So you'll get x into f dash of this. X differentiation will give you the same term. You'll get f of y by x, the other term. The third term will be y into pi dash of x. Yes, pi into pi dash of x. Now you can simplify this. See, x and x square will be getting cancelled. You will get minus y by x. So you can write p is equals to minus y by x. Sorry, p is equals to minus y by x into f dash of y by x. F dash of y by x plus f of y by x plus f of y by x plus pi of x plus pi of x. Okay. Similarly, differentiate, take this as equation number 2. Differentiate 2 partially with respect to y. When you differentiate with respect to y, you will get dou z by dou y. So what will be the next term? X into f dash of y by x. X into f dash of y by x into 1 by x. Okay. Plus, what is the other term? Other term will be y into pi dash of x. So we'll get pi of x alone. We'll get pi of x alone. Is it clear, ma?
Hello, ma'am.
Tell me, ma.
I mean, the second equation, it is y into pi dash of x.
Which one, dear? Second equation? Y into pi dash of x only. Pi dash of x. Okay. Y also is there. Yes. I missed it off. Turning the pages and writing is too irritating. Yeah. Good thing you said. So y into pi dash of x. Correct. So we'll get f dash of y by x plus pi of x plus pi of x. Take this as equation number 3. Similarly, differentiate. What we want, our aim is to eliminate arbitrary functions. So we will try to differentiate. Somehow we have to differentiate it. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll differentiate 3 partially with respect to x. Getting y f dash of y, f of y by x, pi dash of x. Here f dash of y by x plus pi of x I'm getting. Okay. So what I can do is okay, fine, no issues. So we'll differentiate 3 partially with respect to y. When you differentiate 3 partially with respect to y, I will write it dou z by dou q itself. This is y itself, because I'll tell you the reason. Okay. Standard notations are there, right? Y we don't have a notation. So what we will write is dou z by dou y. Differentiating partially with respect to y, I'll get dou square z by dou y square will be equal to f double dash of y by x into 1 by x. F double dash of y by x, sorry. Dash of y by x into 1 by x plus that is 0. The third term will be 0. Yes or no? Yeah. So I'll get dou square z by dou y square is equals to 1 by x into f double dash of y by x. Take this as equation number 4. Okay. Similarly, differentiate 3 partially with respect to x. When you do it with respect to x, you'll get dou square z by dou y dou x. Dou square z by dou y dou x. This is this. We are doing it with respect to x. So we'll get f double dash of y by x. F double dash of y by x into minus y by x square into minus y by x square. The other term will be pi dash of x plus pi dash of x. Take this as equation number 5. Just check whether we can do anything. No. So what I will do is differentiate 4 partially with respect to x and y. So first I'll do with respect to x. When I do it with respect to x, I'll get dou cube z by dou y square into dou x. Dou cube z by dou y square into dou x, or I can write it like this. Why should I write it as dou x? I'll write it as dou x dou y, because that is a procedure, right? I'm doing dou y square with respect to dou x. So when I do it with respect to x, what I'll get minus 1 by x square into f double dash of y by x. So minus 1 by x square into f double dash of y by x. The other term will be 1 by x into f triple dash of y by x into minus y by x square. So this will become minus 1 by x square f double dash of y by x plus minus y by x cube into f triple dash of y by x. Take this as equation number 6. Differentiate 4 partially with respect to y. Differentiate 4 partially with respect to y. When I do it with respect to y, what will I get? Dou cube z by dou y cube. Dou cube z by dou y cube is equals to, I'm doing it with respect to y, ma. So I'll get 1 by x into f triple dash of y by x. 1 by x into f triple dash of y by x. I'm doing it with respect to y. I'll get into 1 by x. So I'll get dou cube z by dou y cube as 1 by x square into f triple dash of y by x. I think the job will get done by this, not beyond this 7. Okay. Now see. So I have got dou cube z by dou x dou y square as I can substitute f triple dash of y by x by this. There is my f triple dash. as x square into dou z by dou y cube. Yeah, I will substitute that. So substitute 7 in 6. So what will happen? Your 6 implies, what is your 6, ma? This is your 6. Dou cube z divided by dou x dou y square. Dou cube z divided by dou x dou y square is equals to 6 is this, minus 1 by x square into f double dash of y by x minus 1 by x square into f double dash of y by x. Okay, then minus y by x cube minus y by x cube into f triple dash of y by x. What's the value of f triple dash of y by x? It is x square into dou cube z by dou y cube. It will be x square into dou cube z by dou y cube. Okay. And can I substitute f double dash of y by x by anything? Somewhere I've got f double dash of y by x alone. Yes. From here I can write it f double dash of y by x as x into this. Yes, job is done. So I'll get dou cube z by dou x dou y square is equals to minus 1 by x square. F double dash of y by x, I can write it as x into dou square z by dou y square. X into dou square z by dou y square. Okay, minus, see here, this and this will be getting cancelled. We'll get minus y by x into dou square z by dou y cube. Okay, and here also x, this is by from, what is the equation number, ma? 4. Substituting 4 here. Substituting 4. So we'll get dou cube z by dou x dou y square is equals to minus 1 by x into dou square z by dou y square minus y by x into dou cube z by dou y cube. So that's all. You can leave it as such. You can just cross multiply by x and leave it. You can leave it as such also. Is it clear? Or if you can take the text that side, you get x into dou cube by dou x into dou y square is equals to or plus dou square z by dou y square plus dou cube y into dou cube z by dou y cube equal to 0. That's all. So somehow we have to reduce it. So you have to go for the higher order. If you have a number of arbitrary functions or arbitrary constants more than the independent variables. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll wind up with this. Next class, we'll see the other things. Attendance, L mark. The assignment, you can take it as a problem sheet and work out and see.
Okay, ma'am.